Stop by and take a look at the 2019 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, running boards. Your new ride is just a phone call away.